I'm Rob Sarah, Programme Leader in Photography at the University of Cumbria.
I'm Orwenna Kersley and I'm a lecturer in photography.
My name is Neil, studying Year 2 photography.
I'm Cara Ashurst and I'm a photography graduate.
I'm Ryan, I'm a photography graduate from the University of Cumbria.
Our course offers students the opportunity to develop your practice and find your creative voice so you can be exactly the photographer you want to be. It's a thoroughly practical course. It's very hands-on. We believe that you learn best through doing. Our course is a training ground for your photographic and professional life. In Year 1, it's very focused on technique and developing knowledge and skills, whether that's in camera systems, in lighting, in the darkroom, in the studio, on location, the environments in which you'll be challenged in your professional life, and you'll develop that skill set as a foundation for the rest of the course.
Having a chance to learn all the different facets of photography has been amazing, but I think the things that you learn in between the skill, learning to connect with people, and I think a lot of us that come out of the programme end up being socially engaged photographers because of that.
In your second year, you will have the opportunity to choose from a range of briefs that come from industry. So this gives students the opportunity to think about the kind of photography that interests them and perhaps the kind of photographer that they want to be when they graduate. The third year is where you really take control over your own photographic practice and you take your work in whatever direction you want with the support of the photography team. You will be working individually and as part of a team to develop your degree show, which will then open to the public and act as a showcase for you as you step out into the world as a professional photographer.
This sequence across the programme allows you to develop your interests, you as a person, with all the support and expertise of an amazing staff team here.
Each of the lecturers and tutors and technicians are experienced photographers that come from industry, and we bring our industry connections with us.
One of the biggest differences is being in small, intimate groups. Instead of having the large class experience that you expect of university, having the chance to sit down with someone on the same side of the same table and share space and share work, even across the staff team to the students, it's really validating to your own practice. It makes it feel like you're already a part of the ecosystem instead of feeling like you have to break into it.
You'll also have the opportunity to collaborate with students in other departments across the university to develop projects. And this is really important because although you'll be studying photography, it will help enhance your skills across the creative industries and is reflective of life as a photographer once you graduate.
Brampton Road's a pretty special campus because obviously it's a fully creative campus and we brush shoulders with graphic designers, illustrators, artists, filmmakers, just preparing you for the next step of actually working with other industry professionals.
We feel that this course is unique because we treat you as an individual. It is personal, professional, it is creative, and there's an awful lot of freedom for you to find your voice.
The lecturers have been really supportive in how I've been able to grow. The briefs we've been given, they're really open. You can let your mind run wild. You've really got creative freedom.
You're supported to learn in a range of different ways. This includes traditional lectures and seminars, as well as peer review sessions and one-to-one tutorials, but also practical workshops. We have incredible facilities here which are supported by very experienced technicians.
Michael is an absolute star. Anything that you need a hand with technically, he'll be straight there.
I'm Michael. I run the photography resources up here at the Brampton Road campus. Students come to me for help deciding what equipment they need for different kind of projects that they're working on. I think one of the key characteristics of the resources we have here is that I'm on campus 5 days a week and I'm around to give one-to-one support to the students. We have a stock of full-frame DSLRs, we have medium format digitals as well. On the analog side of things, we have everything from 35mm, medium format and large format. All of that's available as kits to take on location. It's about supporting the broadest range of practices possible.
We also embed professionals into the teaching experience. Like our fellow in photography, students get the opportunity to work regularly with a professional over the course of 12 weeks, where you will receive feedback directly on your project work. The fellow also works in the same way at the same time, so you see the same real-world experiences that they are having whilst you develop your practice.
I've went to absolutely loads of masterclasses and guest speakers, but the real highlight for me is having those individual drop-in sessions so you can book specific time to show your projects to these really famous photographers and artists that come in. So then you can take your work and really get input when it's like most crucial.
If you're considering joining our course, ask us lots of questions and you can get in touch in a number of different ways. You can phone us, you can email us, or even better, if you can come in and visit us, we can show you the incredible facilities that we have here.
I think it's a really special place to be, so I'd say anyone who's thinking about it, go for it.